Chapter 16. Latitudes and Longitudes. A spherical object like the Earth has neither corners and sides nor top and bottom. It is difficult to describe the location of a point on a sphere like the Earth. So, we need certain points and lines as references. Latitudes. The axis of the Earth is an imaginary line which joins the North Pole and the South Pole. The equator is also an imaginary line and is midway between the poles. The latitude is measured in degrees. Each degree is divided into 60 minutes and each minute into 60 seconds. The equator is taken as a starting line and so marked as 0 degrees latitude. The angular distance of the North Pole and the South Pole from the equator is 90 degrees each. Thus, the latitude of the North Pole is 90 degrees north, and that of the South Pole is 90 degrees south. Important parallels of latitudes. The Tropic of Cancer is the parallel of 23.5 degrees north in the northern hemisphere. It passes through the middle of our country. The Tropic of Capricorn is the parallel of 23.5 degrees south in the southern hemisphere. The Arctic Circle lies at 66.5 degrees north latitude. The Antarctic Circle lies at 66.5 degrees south latitude. Heat zones of the world. The parallels of latitude divide the Earth into various heat zones. The hot or torrid zone. This zone lies between the Tropic of Cancer and the Tropic of Capricorn. It is the hottest zone in the world where the sun shines vertically overhead. This is also known as the tropical zone. The moderate or temperate zone. It lies between the Tropic of Cancer and Arctic Circle in the northern hemisphere and between the Tropic of Capricorn and Antarctic Circle in the southern hemisphere. The sun is never overhead in this zone. Hence, it is neither very hot in summer nor very cold in winter. It is therefore called the temperate zone. The cold or frigid zone. It lies between the Arctic Circle and North Pole in the northern hemisphere and the Antarctic Circle and the South Pole in the southern hemisphere. It is the coldest part of the Earth, which always receives slanting sun rays. Here the summers are short and cold, while winters are extremely cold. Longitudes. The starting point for the measurement of longitude is arbitrary. We begin at a selected meridian. However, all the nations have accepted 0-degree meridian passing through the Royal Observatory, Greenwich, London as the prime meridian. Thus, a longitude of a place is defined as its distance east or west of the prime meridian, measured as an angle. The numerical value of longitude varies from 0 degrees to 180 degrees east and west. Their total number is 360. Importance of longitude. Longitude helps to calculate the local time of a place. If we know the latitude and longitude of a place, we can locate it easily on the globe or a map. Longitudes and time. The Earth spins around its axis once in 24 hours. The Earth moves from west to east. That is why the Sun appears to move from east to west. All the 360 meridians of longitude come under the Sun once in 24 hours. Thus, 15 degrees of longitude pass under the Sun in 1 hour. 360 divided by 24 is equal to 15, or 1 degree longitude is covered in 4 minutes. All the places on the same meridian will have the same time. When it is 12 o'clock noon at Greenwich, it will be 2 p.m. on all the places at 30 degrees east longitude. 30 into 4 equal to 120 minutes. While at the same time, it will be 10 a.m. on all the places at 30 degrees west longitude. The Earth moves from west to east. That is why the time will be ahead of Greenwich in the east and behind Greenwich in the west.